We came in early, pumpkins bright. The office glowed in autumn light. Pressed the button, heard a pop, then spooky bubbles wouldn't stop. Steam went green, the mugs all shook. We froze mid-float, afraid to look. The haunted coffee machine, it growls and hisses, what does it mean? We screamed and ran, spilled sugar too, till someone whispered out of brew. A witch waved wands, a ghost took notes. The donuts